making, what are these called?
Baby leaf potatoes.
Baby leaf potatoes.
Super thin, practically see through them.
Yeah.
Gonna be kind of...
Okay, so now that we have all of our potatoes sliced,
ready to roll.
Ready
and
to
that
roll.
took 8 minutes tops, 10 minutes. I mean, it was super quick. So if you've got a mandolin, it's gonna be super quick.
and I'd make sure you put them in a big bowl because it's a lot of potatoes. So all you're gonna do is pour the butter over, right?
Pour the butter over.
So I don't need any salt, do I? I know I was gonna say it's a lot of butter.
Yeah. And then our salt and pepper, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then fresh thyme.
Fresh thyme. The recipe called for rosemary or oregano. I love potatoes with thyme. So you can use really whatever. I mean, you could do garlic if you wanted to.
Yeah,
do anything.
any herb that...
Yeah, so I don't think you need all that butter.
No.
Hi. So we kind of forgot to finish our segment on the potatoes.
The baby leaf potatoes.
Baby leaf potatoes.
That were
Delicious.
amazing.
And we already got into them. You want to hold it up? So we already ate some.
Well, and Nate had a...
Well, Nate. And we put some in the fridge.
Right.
Right.
So we didn't eat that whole thing.
No.
It kind of does look like they were so good. So you can kind of see the crunchy top on them. And you did take a picture. So we'll have a picture at the end of the video. Or maybe at the beginning. But they were just delightful.
They were very good.
And so good. So I'm super excited to have a new potato recipe.
Yeah. So please make sure you, the recipe will be down below.
Mm-hmm.
And then make sure you subscribe, and any comments. If anybody tries the recipe, let us know. And I think that's it.
Baby leaf potatoes for Turkey Day.
Gobble, gobble.
All right. See ya.